Hello friends, today's topic is ether separation in SDS lecture series. We are talking about BSc and MSc chemistry practical and I am Dr. SD Sutaria. Today's topic is specially MSc students for the organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, especially organic quaternary analysis. This is the separating funnel. Attach the separating funnel. Look like that. This is the stopcock. This is the cock. Open the cock and add the mixture. Open the cock and add the mixture. And open this stopcock. Then remove the mixture in the separating funnel and stop. Then stop it. So this is the lower layer and this is the upper layer. Lower layer. Upper layer have a ether extract means organic layer and lower layer have a water extract means consider aqueous layer. So upper layer is organic layer, upper layer means organic layer and lower layer means aqueous layer. Clear? So take a separating funnel, add a mixture and distill water, shake well and stir. Every time cork open and stop, cork open and close, open and close, open and close every time, every shake, open, close, shake, open, close. Clear? And then add ether liquids and then shake or stir and cork is close, shake, open, close, shake, open and stand for a few minutes. And then after two layer is there, lower layer and upper layer. For example, look like that. This is the lower layer and this is the upper layer. This is the lower layer have a color and upper layer have a no color. This is the colorless. But this is the first step of the mixture means ether and mixture. No shake. Clear? It's no shake, only just addition and then shake. So what? This color, this pink color dissolve in this ether solution. So look like light orange color. This look like dark orange color and this look like dark orange color. Means this pink color totally dissolve in the ether and this pink, this light pink and this color disappear. So maximum compound is there. This is the aqueous layer and this is the organic layer. Water soluble compound is present then here and water insoluble compound is present then here. So these two types of the layer, water insoluble compound and water soluble compound. Clear? And this cork is open and remove this, collect this solution. This collect this water extract. Water extract means aqueous solution collect and stop this cork. This remaining organic layer is there. So first of all this cork is open and this addition of the beaker and collect of this solution. Open this top cork and collect this beaker in the solution. And this solution we don't know about soluble solid, otherwise soluble liquid. So what? Let's start the distillation accessory set. So set up this set and this beaker have a soluble compound, solid or liquid. This compound, all solution addition in the RBF and then reflux. Then after what comes? First of all comes ether solution because 30 centigrade is the boiling point, only 30. The first come out of this ether solution. Ether solution collect 30 to I think 60 centigrade and then after second liquid is out of this set and this is the consider of the first organic liquid. Consider the first organic liquid. So what? This is a liquid compound is there but no liquids compound outside of this set, then remaining solid is there. Remaining solid in the water bath, otherwise sand bath, remaining solid is there, then consider solid compound is there. So water soluble liquid, otherwise water solid soluble is different. Is check out this type. It's clear. Otherwise liquid is here means liquid soluble compound, and solid compound is here means solid soluble compound is there. Which compound? Let's start the identification. Acid, phenol and neutral, because base is always insoluble in water. So let's start. Acid, phenol and neutral. So just dividing the three parts. This lower layer is the aqueous layer, and the first part addition of the bicarbonate. Ephormons is the carbonate gas, and then consider acid present. Same as part 2, addition of the neutral FAs in the solution, violet coloration appear, then phenol is present. But most important thing is otherwise solid compound is present, so the part 3 is most important is there. So evaporation to dryness in the evaporated dish, and residue remains. What's that? That means water soluble compound is present. That's considered solid water soluble compound present. And then after this test is performed, this test is performed. Means bicarbonate addition of the CO2 gas with ephormons, then acid present and as well as residue remains. Means water soluble acid is present. Second thing, part 2, addition of the neutral FeCl3, violet coloration appear and as well as residues remain in evaporated dish. Both are present. Then confirm solid water soluble phenol is present, and acid and phenol both are absent. Then consider remaining residue is water soluble neutral solid compound is present. Is that clear? Because solid compound is important for the part number 3, evaporation. Otherwise do not have a remain residue. Do not have a remain residue, then consider all our compound is absent in solid form, because do not have a residue. You have a residue, then confirm acid, phenol and neutral. Otherwise no residue, so acid, phenol, neutral soluble is absent. It's now clear. Okay, let's start the upper layer. This is the organic layer. Okay, this knot, I am talking about this knot. The test 1 and test 2 are absent, then the soluble compound is considered as a neutral. Okay, this is the upper layer. Shake well with the NaHCO3 in the separating funnel few times, and cork is, yes, close, shake, open, close, shake, open, close, shake, open few times, and then addition of the ether solution and same process repeat. Cork close, shake, cork open, cork close, shake, close open, means repeat a few times and few minutes, and then after stand for a few minutes, and then after we can consider its lower layer and upper layer in observing the separating funnel. So first take a separating funnel, collect the beaker in the lower layer, and addition of the lower layer is 50% HCl, and then reprecipitation is confirmed. Then acid is present in solid form. Reprecipitation in solid form, then solid acid present. Water insoluble solid acid present. Clear? And then oily drops means liquid acid present. Okay, take a upper layer plus 20% NaOH, shake well. Same process, cork close and open, process is same. Ether is addition and then shake, and then stand for few minutes, and then divide the two parts, lower layer and upper layer in the separating funnel. It's lower layer, the first thing collect in the beaker, and then addition of the 50% HCl, and then solid residue means precipitation is confirmed. Solid precipitate is obtained, then solid phenol present, but liquid drops is present. Liquid drops in the beaker, then confirm liquid phenol is present. Is clear now? Solid phenol and liquid phenol. Upper layer, the 50% HCl, shake well, then ether add, shake well, and then stand for 4 minutes, and then after divide into two parts, lower layer and upper layer. Collect the lower layer in the beaker and addition of the 20% NaOH, stir, and then consider reprecipitation in the solid form. Then solid base present, but reprecipitation in the liquid forms, oily drops and the viscous solution, then liquid base is present. Clear? Sometimes base are low boiling point or low melting point, so sometimes in the beaker in the out of the ice sometimes, and then consider the solid compound or liquid compound in the specially base, few minutes in the ice, and then after check. Okay, and finally upper layer is neutral. Upper layer is neutral, and neutral both type is there, solid neutral or liquid neutral. How to check? Let's check. This beaker have upper layer in the final state, upper layer in the final state, and this beaker all the liquids in this RBF collect and then reflux this flask, and this liquids comes out on this flask on this set. So consider as a liquid form, consider as a liquid form and neutral, but no liquid is there. It's reflux but no outside of this liquid on this flask, and remaining residue is there, means remaining solid compound is look. So this is the solid neutral present. Is clear? And second step is other step. Second step is other step is evaporating dish. All the liquids collect in the evaporating dish, collect in evaporating dish and evaporate the liquids, and the evaporation, after the evaporation liquid is there, so this is a liquid neutral present, but solid is there, so solid neutral present, but this compound have a ether solution, this is organic layer, so carefully reflux in the water bath in big size beaker. Clear? Otherwise outside of the sunlight in every time, and then consider this neutral compound. So let's check all types of that. The first type is water soluble acid in solid or liquid, water soluble phenol, solid or liquid, water soluble neutral, solid or liquids. Then water insoluble acid, solid or liquids, water insoluble phenol, solid or liquid, water insoluble base, solid or liquids, and water insoluble neutral, solid or liquid. Look like that types, and consider the final your observation, which is the present, which is the absent, you consider it, and then after the write down this chart. I think this is the chart is important for that. You take a snapshot on your mobile, your laptop, because it is important for more for the MSc student. Okay, that's it, and you look like my channel and like, share and subscribe every time. Okay, thank you.